Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 2nd of March 2021. Happy new month to you guys. Just to let you guys know before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boots, the version 5.2 is out today, March 2021, and we have sent it to all those who have previously purchased the boats at no extra cost. The version 5.2. The Martigale function has been added to this version and is now very effective, and you can see some of the results on deriv March 2021. So to purchase the boats, just visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. is just 9.99 USD. Just visit the link right there, and the pips, you can see here are some of the results again for the TOUCHSCALPER boat on binary.com. Today you can see it's March 2021. You can see right there is all green, just 9.99 USD. And for those who haven't purchased the PIPSREAPER boats, it has also been updated today for enhanced performance, and we've sent the updates to all those who have previously purchased the boats. It has been updated today, March 2021, and you can see some of the results for the PIPSREAPER boats. It works best on the binary.com platform, as the boats.binary.com/boats.html. You can see right there it's just 7.99 USD. You can see it's all green. It also applies Martingale function. So to purchase the boat, just visit www.binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, debit card, and other payment options on the order page. So here are the links right here. Again, we're going to paste all this link in the video description on YouTube. So to purchase the PIPSREAPER boats, use this link URL right here. Then to purchase the TOUCHSCALPER boat, is it right here. And for those who don't have a trading account, here is a link to sign up for a free trading account to test all our strategies on demo before you go live. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button, and make sure you share our channels on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and other social medias. And so here is the link to purchase. Here is the link to subscribe to our channels. There is the second link. Just subscribe to our channels. Use the link in the video description on YouTube. So let's get back to the trading. We'll be trading the Volatility 10 index right now, and we are using the chart right here. So I've opened the trade and we're using the web trader. So once you've logged into the web trader, you open the Volatility 10 index trade right here. You click on it. Once you've clicked on it, you click on touch, no touch, then you click on touch. You set the duration to 10 ticks. You set the barrier set to plus 0.09, then you enter the amount you are willing to stake right here. So here we're going to be making 34.2% right here. You can see that thing is down, so I'm going to be clicking on purchase as fast as possible. You can see it has already touched it. I'm going to explain this strategy to you after opening the chart. So you open the chart right here. You click on chart. You open Volatility 10 in this chart. You now set this to 1 tick. You click on 1 tick. You don't need to set any indicator. You are going to drag this very close so that you'll be seeing the movement of this line. Once it drops down, we're going to be clicking on purchase as fast. You can see it's down there. I clicked on purchase as fast as possible right there. Make sure you drag this thing very close for you to be able to see the line movement. So as you can see, we've already touched that line, though it took a bit longer. We've already touched the line, so we have to wait a bit before we clicked on purchase again. When it's down, you can see it's down there. Let's just wait again for it to. Make sure you drag this thing very close for you to be able to see this line movement. Let's go for another trade. It's up again. We have to wait for it to go right down. see it's down there, it's down again. So as you can see, we already crossed the line. So you can go on and on and on. You can see we won all the trades. We made 2.55 times 3, that's about 8 USD plus. So you can go on and on and on and go on and on. Just watch the line drops down. Let's go for one more trade. Before we proceed to the next strategy. It's down there. Let's wait for it to drop down a bit. It's down. So as you can see, we already crossed the line there. So you can see we won all the trades. So just watch the chart carefully before you place the trade. Don't forget to drag this thing very close. You can see if you drag it far, you won't see the line movement. Once you drag it close, you will start seeing the movement. So don't forget to drag it, and don't forget to change this thing to tick, one tick. Let's change it to one tick, then you drag this close so that you can see the line movement. Thanks for watching. Bye.